Okay.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to the Ghost Love Music and Cooking. And please say hello to my first lady.
Hello.
Yeah. And guess what today is, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, before we get into that, we appreciate you guys, going to YouTube, and typing in Lolan the Ghost Gholston and, like and, subscribing. Sure do appreciate it. And if you get a chance, go to ghostsmusicians.com and then check out the new video from the Great Expectations Band, which we do parties, weddings. Hey, that's the band for you. I'm telling you right now, we travel, we do it all. So give us a chance and make sure we make your day a dream come true, okay? Okay, and guess what? It's Fish Friday once again. And we've got some tilapia going, and we got crab legs, we got lobster, crab legs, and shrimp. And here's my tilapia. I got, I've been marinated. Got just different things on it. You see that color on it, whatever. But anyway, what I did was with my shrimp and crab legs and lobster, I put some Holland, put some white wine cooking in there. Put some of that Zatarain shrimp crab boil and some garlic. And I took an onion, I cut it up in there. And all of that steam will come up through there and make that so good. You got to trust me, I wouldn't lie to you. I'd lie for you before I would to you. Just check it out and let me know what you think. So today we're gonna check it out, check it all out, all the seasoning that I used. I got New Orleans seasoned fish fry on my fish. I put some Progresso breadcrumbs and all these seasonings here. Not a whole lot now. Just put a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't put too much of everything in there, because you're gonna mess this around and make it too salty. But here we go. I'm gonna put my fish, my tilapia, in this magic bag here, and mix it around. And you know what kind of sound I'm looking for, right? Because it's Fish Friday. I'm looking for a certain sound. And I know good and well you guys know what I'm talking about, because we do it every time I fry some fish. It's that certain sound I'm looking for. Don't ever put your fish into some cold grease or whatever. But, are you ready? This is the sound I'm looking for. Are you listening? Listen. Oh. That's the sound I'm looking for, right there. Okay, we're gonna put that bad boy in here. Here we go. So how was your weekend? It's been a long week for a lot of people, I guess, Friday you get to get off and have a good time with your family and sit around and, and do a great thing with your family, and just have a good time. I'll turn this down a little bit because I want to cook it too fast. But let me wash my hands here. And just have a good time with you guys. But anyway, okay, we got the fish in there, and just everybody sit back and relax. Friday, having a good time with your family, chilling with your old lady, having a good time. Now wait a minute, hold up. Who am I kidding? You know what? All of you peoples out there trying to play around, don't do that, fellas. Don't kid yourself. We're back, ladies and gentlemen, and the fish is done, and everything is jumping, Lord. Now look at here, before we plate it up, look how beautiful that is. Shrimp, lobster, crab legs, Lord. Now look how beautiful this fish is. All those ingredients I used was good. And you know what? Now this is the part of the show where it breaks my heart. I'm gonna have to try this food before you. But I'm gonna offer you a bite to be polite, because that's the way Mama and Daddy raised this old country boy from Georgia. Check it out. Tilapia, coleslaw. Take a bite. Lord have mercy. Come on, take a bite. Lord have mercy. You know what? That's good. We want to thank you for coming with us. And fellas, remember what I said about we going out tonight. Now, don't be afraid of those ladies. I'm going to pick you up about 9. Or you just meet me where we going, okay? Because we're going to get down with some blues tonight. I don't care what my old... I better change that. I tell you what, you know I'm going out here on a cloud of smoke. So, we love you. So guys, take it easy. Good night, and we love you. Down home blues. Oh yeah. Y'all take care. And we love you.